So it's not just paired spokes, although that's what we're known for best. We also have other technology and other patents that are lesser known and in some cases actually hidden in the wheel. For example, we have a couple of nipple patents. In this particular wheel, we have one for internal nipples because people ask us about that all the time. But essentially what it does is it helps increase the life of the spoke by moving the bend. And the spoke does bend. Moves the bend of the spoke away from the weakest part, which is the threads. So as you imagine, as these rims get deeper and deeper and deeper, well, that spoke, when it leaves the hub, it's got to somehow get to that rim bed. It's got to bend. If you look at it straight on, as the spoke comes, it has to hit up into the rim bed. So what this nipple does is it forces that bend to be away from the threads of the spokes. The threads of the spokes are one of the weakest points. By doing that, just that simple bit, you can actually extend the life by a significant amount. We also have that aren't quite as deep, is we also have a system with kind of a ball and socket joint. So again, as the spoke is coming up to the rim, instead of having the spoke bend, what we do is we make it so the nipple aligns with the spoke. So essentially, as the spoke enters the rim, the nipple is also at the same spoke. That way you can eliminate the bend in the weak section, which is the threads. Spokes have had threads for, boy, a long time, pretty much forever. It's taken almost forever for people to figure out that you cannot have a bend in the spoke, in the thread. And that's what we've done with those two patents. So we use that on our lower profile wheels, such as the Elan. We'll use what we call the ball and socket. In the deeper wheels, we'll use what's called the jacketed nipple. And essentially, both of them are designed specifically to extend the life of spokes. When you're running fewer spokes, it's an important point, and it's something that's important, and we understand that.